In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Figma. 1-minute tutorial. We'll keep it simple and clean so you can follow along even if you're new to Figma. By the end, you'll have a minimal monogram-style logo and a matching word mark ready to refine or share. Start by opening your page in Figma. This is your working canvas and everything you create will live here. If you already have a project file, open that. Otherwise, a fresh page is perfect. Think of this as your design playground where you can experiment without stress. Next, click Frame and adjust its size. A frame is essentially your artboard, which helps keep your logo contained and organized. A square frame is a great starting point because most logos sit nicely in a square. You can choose a neat dimension like 500 by 500 pixels for clarity. This makes it easier to center things and later export if you want to share your logo. Now add text and enter the letter that will form your logo. For example, you might use the letter S. Increase the font size so it fills your frame well and try a bold, clean typeface to make the letter feel strong and legible. You can tweak spacing and alignment so the letter sits comfortably in the center. The goal here is to create a solid foundation that will look good at both small and large sizes. Once that's in place, click the rectangle tool and drag rectangles over areas of your letter to cover the specific parts you want to shape. These rectangles act like cutouts or blocks, helping you carve a unique look. Place them intentionally, maybe to slice a diagonal, create a bar, or emphasize symmetry. Keep your shapes aligned and sized thoughtfully so the final result looks deliberate and balanced. Highlight the rectangles and the letter together, then choose Use as Mask. This combines them so only the overlapping portions define the final shape. The mask gives you that polished, stylized effect without permanently altering the letter, so you can fine-tune by moving or resizing the rectangles if needed. If something looks off, simply adjust the shapes and the mask updates instantly. Finally, in the blank space on your canvas, add supporting text for your brand name. For example, you can type SAFE next to or below your logo. Pick a font that complements your monogram, keep the spacing tidy, and align it visually with your symbol for a unified look. That's it. Clean, quick, and ready for further refinement whenever you like.